Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to sign out of your PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 on all devices. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to sign out of your PlayStation if you no longer have your PS4 or PS5 or you don't have access to it. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to a web browser on your phone or on your PC, then go to PlayStation.com and then log in on the upper right with your email and password associated with your PlayStation account. Then, once you're logged in, go to your profile and select it. Then you'll see this drop-down window. Go to Account Settings. Now, once this loads on the left side of the screen, we are going to want to go ahead and go to Device Management on the left side. Then under the Device Management window, go to PlayStation Consoles. Then you'll see Deactivate All Devices. Once you go to this, you'll be signed out of your PlayStation account on your PS4 and your PlayStation 5. And this will pretty much take effect immediately. So you'll have to sign back in with your email address and password on your PlayStation 4 or PS5 now. So this will also deactivate your console as home or primary. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation Tech Help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.